Hey, this is Chap Over. Today I'm going to show you how you can get access to my free AI prompt generator tool for product descriptions that you can use in WordPress, Etsy, Shopify, and more. Okay, yesterday's video we were talking about the free AI prompt generator tool for creating social media content. And like I said, today we're going to show you how you can actually write product descriptions that will get your products to sell faster. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so let's see here. So what you're going to do is once you get the link, you're going to go right here, and I'll give you the link in just a sec. I just want to show you a whole bunch of different real life just showing you real life of how I have things set up and stuff like that, and kind of giving you an idea of how you can do it yourself with your websites, with your product descriptions. Okay, so we're going to use the free AI prompt generator tool, and like I said in each video, there's 7 different features, and today we're going to scroll down to product description. Okay, then what we do is we come right over here and we go to platform. This is actually for website blog because it has to do with the shop, so it's a website. And what we're going to do is we always do beginners. You can do something else. Beginners are just always the best way to go. Oops. All right, so we got beginners there. I always like to use friendly and encouraging. You can do whatever you want. You can do either friendly and encouraging. You can do professional and authoritative, casual and controversial, high converting, direct response, or educational step-by-step. Okay, I'm just going to do friendly and encouraging. And then product descriptions, it's really up to you. I prefer short and punchy ones just because a lot of people just don't like to read a lot. But you can do medium and you can do long. So I'm just going to do short. Then what you do is you just click on these right here. Both these boxes, just leave them checked. And then you just click on generate prompt. The cool thing about this too is, is you can use this on ChatGPT, Claude, and any other AI writer. Okay, so basically we're just going to go right here. Whoops. Let's see what happened here. Let's just refresh this right here. Something happened. So, I know what I did. Forgot to go up here. So make sure you put up here. That's what happened. I didn't put the product description here. All right. So let's see. We're going to do, let's say, let's just go over here to my PLR website, plrproductsforsale.com website. So we'll just come over here and I'm going to go over to Canva templates, and let's just pick one of these right here. We're just going to pick on one of these right here. And you can see right here, here's the product itself. So it's the Ultimate Parenting Planner Bundle Printable PLR. So we're just going to copy this right here. And we're going to come back over here. And then we're going to put this right in here for the product. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take more information right here. So let's go back here, because the more information you give, the better. So let's see here. I'm going to, let's see. Get some more information here. So I'm just going to go like this right here, copy all those too. So come back over here, and then we're going to go like this right here. So we have it all saved now. So now finally I'm going to not have that error. So just make sure you put your, what do you want content about? Make sure you put that in there. Make sure for this video today that we're doing for the free AI prompt generator tool for product description, you can use on WordPress, Etsy, Shopify, and more. You can even do it with WooCommerce, obviously. And just come over here, click on product description, click right here on website and blog, click on right here. I do beginners all the time because that's the one that makes sense. You can do whatever you want. I always do friendly and encouraging, but you can choose which ones you want. And then I do always short and punchy, but you can make it medium and long. I'm just going to make it short, keep these boxes checked. And then we go right here and see when you do it the right way, it shows up the right way down here. So there's the prompt right here. We just copy the prompt, and I'm going to use ChatGPT because ChatGPT is my favorite. And we're just going to paste it right here, and you're going to see, how it's going to write this product description super fast in less than a minute. Okay, so here we go. We'll scroll down here. Here goes ChatGPT. Just wrote out the outline right here. Now it's writing out the actual H1 name right here, the Ultimate Parenting Planner Bundle, printable PLR. And it goes right here and it just starts writing it out right here. So you can see it's perfectly SEO optimized. It's set up to basically make sure that people want to buy your product, know what the product is about, so they can take action and they can buy your product and you can start making money. And here we go. Puts all the information right there. Says, look at this right here. I mean, it says what's included in here. It tells exactly what's included. It gives information right here. What's in the Ultimate Parenting Planner Bundle. Then it comes down here. You can see who's this bundle for. It goes down here and tells which people. Obviously, new and expecting parents, busy moms and families, homeschooling and beginners, teachers and educators. So you can see right there, look how it's all written. Then if you wanted to, like once you actually make the product and you have your product page done, then what you can do is, see, it even has a get instant access now. You can use these keywords when setting up your product description page that's selling the product. You can use this as the SEO title, which is the meta title for SEO optimization, which is Ultimate Parenting Planner Bundle, printable PLR Kids, Toddlers, and Family Planners. And then you can use this as the meta description for your product page, so you can start getting more, traffic from setting up your page SEO optimized. So you can see how simple it is. And then usually what ChatGPT will do is he'll recommend something down here. You could just say, hey, could you update this, update that? But pretty much this is ready for you literally to copy and paste it into your product. And you can actually start making money online with your website, with your new product description, with using our free AI prompt generator tool for product descriptions. And you can use it, like I said, on WordPress, Etsy, Shopify, any kind of e-commerce site, because basically you just copy and paste the information that you just had the prompt write for you in ChatGPT or Claude or any other AI writing content. Now, what I'd like you to do is make sure that you post below in the comments area, like your website URLs that shows us your products so we can look at them and help you out and see how you're doing and just encourage people along the way. Make sure that you share this video on different social medias and share this on YouTube, like this video, subscribe to our channel. You can come right here and this will share the page that you can actually share on the social media on Facebook, X, which is Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit. Okay, we are here to help. And like I said, in the first comment below and in the description under the YouTube video, you can get access to the URL that you can get access to our free AI prompt generator tool for product descriptions that you can use for WordPress, Etsy, Shopify, and other like WooCommerce and other platforms out there that you can sell your products and services. This is Chat Pornoa. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Tomorrow's video will most likely be about, let's see here. We'll be doing basically our free AI prompt generator tool for YouTube scripts. Okay, that will help you write YouTube scripts. That'll help you get your videos seen and ranking better within YouTube's search and Google search also. Like I said, if you have any kind of questions or anything like that, post them below in the comments area, and I'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon.